Haya, Rayan, Aman, and everyone else. My beautiful students, welcome to class. I'm so happy to see your shining faces today. Are you ready to learn something fun and super easy? Let's imagine we're making a line for a game, but not just any line, a very special line. This line is not by height, not by age, and not by who came first. This line is by alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means we arrange words the same way we see letters in the alphabet A, B, C, D, and so on till Z. It's just like using ABC to decide who comes first. Let's try it with names, shall we? Listen carefully. Ammon, Haya, and Rayan. Now, which name starts with the letter that comes first in the alphabet? A is the first letter in ABC, right? So Ammon comes first. Then comes Haya, because H is later than A but before R. And finally, Rayan, because R comes after both A and H. So the correct order is Aman, Haya, Rayan. See how easy and fun that was? Let's do more. Imagine you have these words: apple, banana, cat, dog. What comes first? Think of the first letters. Apple starts with A, so it comes first. Banana starts with B, so it's next. Then cat with C, and finally, dog with D. We always look at the first letter to decide the order. Let's practice together. Clap your hands if you hear the right order. Ready? Pencil, eraser, bag. Think. Which starts with B? Yes, bag. Then comes eraser, then pencil. Great job! Alphabetical order helps us find words in a dictionary, sort names in a list, and even organize books on a shelf. Isn't that useful? Now, children, try to do page 21 and 22 in your books since you have understood your chapter. Let's smile and say together, ABC. Now it's easy for me.